web sealer machine with shrink tunnel. The machine is equipped with large shrink film rolls, fed from both the top and bottom for wrapping operations. Connect the air pipe to the designated port to activate the pressure meter. Switch on the power clips, then turn on the blower, heater, and conveyor. Adjust the speed using the rotary knob. Press the stop button first, then start the heater, set the desired temperature, and press the start button to begin operation. Once the heat sealing jaws descend, the machine starts wrapping the box with shrink film. Place the box on the machine. As the sealing jaws move downwards, they enclose the box in the shrink film. The machine utilizes top and bottom shrink film rolls to wrap products in sleeve-type packaging. It automatically seals and cuts the film using heat sealing jaws for efficient and precise packaging. Repeat the same process for the next box. After wrapping, the box exits the machine securely packed, moving along the conveyor rollers and glide surface. An integrated shrink tunnel with hot air circulation tightly shrinks the film around the product. Designed with a sturdy structure and user-friendly controls, the machine is ideal for continuous packaging operations. Packaging is complete, and the box is ready for dispatch.